Hello guys, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Caleb. Today we're gonna be making I didn't plan this out yet. How about pizza? Yeah, sure, let's go with pizza. Today we're gonna be making pizza. So yeah, it turns out we don't have the ingredients for pizza, unfortunately. But I know someone who might. Amura, where are the ingredients? Huh. Well, I guess I'm gonna have to continue looking for ingredients now. So, we got this stuff. We got pizza rolls. Yeah, I feel like having real pizza. Oh well. Let's try looking. Well, look at what we have here. DiGiorno pizza. Let's do it! The things that you will need. A DiGiorno box, an oven, and last but not least, my hands. Once you have all your things together, then you're ready to start. Now, how do you do that again?
5 minutes later.
Okay, I think I got it now. So I think you press... Just kidding. So yeah, you press... There's a pizza mode, so clearly. So yeah, now wait for your oven to reach 400 degrees before putting it in.
5 minutes later.
Alright, so it's been about 5 minutes, so we're almost ready to start putting the pizza in the oven. So let's go ahead and do that. Now guys, I happen to have a spare oven mitt. So guys, you want to make sure that you always use proper hand protection whenever handling, especially at 400 degrees. Like, this is hot. So yeah, we're almost done. Okay, let's start putting this bad boy in the oven. Oof, oof, that heat. All right, hold on, let's get this pizza out. All right, now let's let that bake for 18 minutes. All right, well, the pizza is done, so let's go ahead and turn that off. We want to make sure we have something to put it on first. So, we're gonna get a nice, shiny, clean plate. Yeah! All right, good. All right. Oof, that is hot. All right. Okay, so we're gonna have to how am I gonna do this? You know what? We're gonna use our good old trusty spatula. Perfect! Alright, now I can't do it like that. See, and now we got our pizza. Hold on. Alright, now after 15 hours of digging, the pizza is finally ready. But this pizza looks a little too plain, so we gotta slice it. Cutter. Look at that, it even has stuffed crust. But let's skip forward. Let's go serve it to Amura. Yeah, you guys did not definitely just see that right now. Amura, come get it!
美味しそうですな。美味しいですか?
Dang, Amura, you ate that real fast. You must have really liked it.
美味しかったです。それは柔らかく、まだカリカリの食感で、ぬいぐるみのクラストがすべてを完成させました。
Yeah, I guess this seems that Amura was satisfied. Cheers to a new roommate. And with that, thank you guys for watching Cooking with Caleb. Leave your food ideas in the comment section below, and maybe I'll make a next episode. Thank you guys for watching. Goodbye.
さようなら